Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Minister for Housing and Local Government, Honorable Maciu Nalumisa.
I always start my speech by acknowledging the traditional owners of the land that we're sitting on. Nosakai Matanikutu, Manaturang Sanangariwal. The Permanent Secretary, the Ministry of Housing, as well as the Ministry of Local Government, the Chairperson Board of Members of National Housing Authority, also acknowledge the past directors are also here with us. The Acting CEO, Executive Management, and staff of Housing Authority. Tutulang turangan ay taltala. Turangan ni Matanggali, Lay Namuka, Mr. Batilai, Dasi Kasawanga. It's happened that when we were issuing out offer letters last week, I was introduced to my Koilangu, and he's here with us this morning. The trustee for Matangali Ketanamasi, Ratu Joshua, Uliawa, members of the media, also acknowledge the presence of government officials that are here. Can also acknowledge the presence of the contractor, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, Mr. Mbulavinaka, namaste, and a very good afternoon to you all. We're so blessed this afternoon to be given a special weather, a special day for us this afternoon. And I was listening to the sermon delivered by Natal this morning. It always gives us one of the mighty challenge for us not only to build houses, but also to build communities and also to build homes. Today marks a milestone in our commitment towards affordable housing that will improve the quality of life for all Fijians. I'm indeed honored to officially announce 3 very important pivotal initiatives as shared initially by the Chairlady of Housing Authority. One is the Housing Authority model homes. Second is the reintroduction of the village housing schemes, loan scheme, as well as a new loan package, which further reduce lending interest rates. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to take this time to extend a very warm welcome to 2 village scheme trustees, Turangani Matangali Lena Muka, Mr. Batilai Kasawanga, and the trustee for Matangali Ketanamasi, which is located in the village of Nalotulevu in Solevu, Malolo, Ratu Joshua, Uliawa. I would also like to acknowledge the tenants from PRB, Narere, Kalambu, and Mokwe estates present for this event. Now available for joining us this afternoon. We also fortunate to also have the presence of one of the general manager from I need to acknowledge his presence too this afternoon. General manager for Fiji National Provident Fund, Mr. Wagarawai. Thank you for your presence too this afternoon. Ladies and gentlemen, the Model Homes Initiative is one that is inclusive, climate resilient, and aims to reduce construction time, provide structural integrity, and ensure affordability. There are two types of conventional homes that will be constructed under this initiative. One of the 2 types of conventional homes will one be using precast panel walls, and the other will also use light steel frame walls with panels. These 2 conventional homes are designed to be durable and sustainable families and are part of your coalition government's efforts to showcase practical and scalable housing solutions that can be adopted across the country. when you talk about affordability, a lot of things come into the picture, a lot of things come into the equation. There are a lot of variables that make up that contribute to affordability of housing around the country. Looks after development costs, also looks after housing models, housing construction materials, as well as financing of the clients that are going to buy the products that will be produced by our housing agency, especially here, the Housing Authority. And one of the key challenges now for the ministry, for our government, is the issue of termites happening around the country. Even the termites now in Suva, the termites in Nakasi, termites are everywhere. And we need to come up with innovative ways of how best we can address these housing challenges. And the introduction of precast, prefabricated material is a way forward now for our country, because it will be termite free, and also it's going to sustain some of the weather, the severe weather conditions, as well as other conditions that we have in the country. And we should fortunate that I'm also thankful to the board. It's something that we have initiated. It's something that is different now, and it's time that we, as a team, as an agency, as an authority, we need to advocate the idea of coming up with innovative housing solutions, because it's going to, as I said, there are a lot of factors that contribute to affordability when it comes to housing. And I'm pleased to announce that by December 2025, the Housing Authority will deliver a total of 250 model homes. And to ensure timely delivery, these homes will be constructed by multiple contractors across key subdivisions, including Tavakumbi in Lautoka, Tavirua in Suva, as well as Dabulebu in Nosori. Housing Authority is also set to develop 400 residential lots in Tavakumbu, Dabulebu, Tavirua, and Korosol Salu in Tabua in the next 2 years. In addition, plans are underway to introduce row housing options within these developments to provide greater housing diversity and affordability. This ambitious program reflects our coalition government's deep commitment to making home ownership a reality for more Fijians, and to ensuring that our communities grow in a way that is inclusive, sustainable, and resilient. When I took over office, I was analyze the report of the Public Rental Board. And it's very challenging to note that for the past 10 years, the transition from renting to home ownership is really less. It's below 20%. It's around 14%, which is very, very low. So with this initiative, if you're listening to the comments by the chairperson, we're trying to ensure that we reach out to those that are earning less than $30,000. So this is part of the initiative now, to reach out. Because when you do this type of initiative, it's going to assist the government in ensuring that we provide affordable housing products to the people that we are mandated to serve. Ladies and gentlemen, as the government continues to address housing challenges in the urban areas, it has developed another initiative, the Village Housing Scheme. And this is a key product of Housing Authority that is being relaunched today, and is aimed for families in the rural, peri-urban, and maritime areas to access affordable financing for housing projects under the Village Housing Loan Products. The Village Loan Scheme includes construction of new homes, renovation of and upgrade of homes, as well as construction and upgrade of community halls and evacuation centers. Under this scheme, close to 125 villages have benefited and successfully paid off their village loans. I therefore plead to those who plan to invest in their village homes, those that are watching right now, listening, to take advantage of this initiative. Ladies and gentlemen, the third initiative being launched today is a further reduction of lending interest rates by Housing Authority. This bold step is aimed at making mortgage financing more affordable, more accessible, and ultimately within reach for more Fijian families striving to own a home. The revised rates are as follows. For families earning between $30,000 to $50,000, the interest rate will be 3.5% per annum, fixed for 5 years, with 6% per annum variable thereafter. For families earning below $30,000, the interest rate will be 2% per annum, fixed for 5 years, and 4% per annum variable thereafter. Government also wishes to convey our sincere appreciation to the Reserve Bank of Fiji, Housing Facility, for offering the interest rate of 0.25% per annum, enabling the Housing Authority to provide this concessional lending to its customers whose combined annual housing income is less than $50,000. This is one aspect of bridging the gap in the provision of affordable homes to families in the lower percentile group, the vulnerable and marginalized population. Ladies and gentlemen, housing is a fundamental human right. It is the cornerstone of dignity, stability, and opportunity. Today we are not only celebrating the tangible progress before us, but also the hope and security it brings to Fijian families across the nation. These scalable efforts are essential not only to uplift quality of life, but to strengthen our community's welfare in the fight against social problems such as the use of illicit drugs, substance abuse, and violence against women. So thankful also for the presence of the acting CEO, Chair of National Town Council, as well as Special Administrator, who are here to support the initiative that we're having this morning. By ensuring every household has access to a safer, secure, and future-proof home, we are laying the foundation for a more resilient and empowered Fiji. To conclude, I wish to acknowledge the dedicated team at Housing Authority, Chair, as well as board members, and all the staff, as well as the Ministry of Housing and the Ministry of Local Government, our trusted stakeholders, contractors, and the community members whose unwavering support and collaboration continue to drive this important work forward. Together, we are not just building houses. We are building hope, dignity, and a better future for all Fijians. Let us stay united in our vision to ensure that every Fijian, no matter their background or circumstances, has access to safe, affordable, and quality housing. Now, may God bless Housing Authority. May God bless us all. May God bless Fiji.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, there you have the launch of our interest rates, new interest rates for Housing Authority.
Over the last 2 decades, interest rates have dropped dramatically. From highs of 9.5% in the early 2000s, Housing Authority has consistently driven rates down. By 2025, we have gone down to as low as 2% fixed for 5 years.
For families earning below $30,000 per annum.
On the other hand, for families earning $30,000 to $50,000 per annum, they pay 3.5% fixed for 5 years. This isn't just a number. It's real savings for thousands of Fijian families. Why choose Housing Authority? We offer the lowest home loan interest rates in Fiji with a loan term of 30 years, zero deposit, government grant facilitation, Reserve Bank housing assistance facility, affordable in-house legal documentation, and in-house insurance cover. Terms and conditions apply. Housing Authority, housing the nation since 1958.
Ladies and gentlemen, our village housing loan scheme.
The Village Housing Loan Scheme is another key product that the Housing Authority is bringing back to give families in the village declared boundaries, peri-urban and maritime areas access to affordable financing for housing projects under the Village Housing Loan product. That includes construction of new homes, renovation and upgrade of homes, and for construction and upgrade of community halls and evacuation centers. Take advantage of the Village Housing Loan Facility Package, now available at the Housing Authority, which will assist families in building resilient homes in the village with a proper cyclone certificate. The modern setup supports a decent lifestyle in the village with lower interest rates. This is part of the Housing Authority's efforts in extending its housing footprint into village-declared boundaries to support an inclusive approach in housing the nation of Fiji.
I would like to call upon Ratu Chosua Vuilawa, one of the trustees of the Matangali Ketenamasi of Solevu Malolo, and Ratu Vatilia Yasi of Matangali Lena Muka of the village of Dovua in Thuvu Nandronga. We would like to ask the Honorable Minister to please hand over the trustees. Official offer letters to the trustees.
Is your house of income below 50K? You have easy choice. Take advantage of the housing authority's ready-built products, which include 2-bedroom units, 65 to 72 square meters area, options between ALC panel and steel frame structures. Located in thriving communities and prime locations with easy access to modern convenience, services, and employment centers.
Nada ni kaluga tamanda kina lubena kina altam. Kima bita bora kina sabu sumburingo. Tapi kami na tarada kina kintingo na di mami turang kina lingamuni. Ibe buki kina nakalo me ado na loma muni na turanga kaku ni ado ni nagwa tamat. Mani bata ba nandraki lau durumi nan dei tipo. Tapi buka toro da kitango gibe kina ni mami. Sa na bona masu na dei chisu na di mami turanga sa ado muni ni mami wangula. Amen.
Naka. Ano na binaka? Naka. May tala.
Iya.
Ngalmay.
Check.